Good day everyone. So for today's video, let's make a video tutorial how to register a PayMaya account or Maya. Which is ang PayMaya is the same lang din siya sa GCash. So since na-install ko ng application na ito, so i-open lamang natin para tayo ay makapag-proceed. After that, so i-allow lang natin tong notification and then basahin lamang po natin tong information dito at kung naintindihan man natin, itatap lang natin tong agree and continue. After natin matap yung agree and continue, so meron dito nakalagay start an account or login. So which is magsa-start pa nga lang po tayo. So click natin tong start an account. Which is dito maglalagay tayo ng first name natin and middle name. So it's required siya. And last name. And then maglagay tayo dito ng ating Google account. And then maglagay din tayo dito ng ating mobile phone number. So which is ang phone number na gagamitin natin dito ay phone number ng Philippines. Then after that, mag-create lang tayo ng password. And click continue. After natin mag-click continue, so isa-save ko lamang, so not now. After that, so meron siya dito nakalagay na you receive this account, wallet, savings, and then click lang natin tong continue. And while using this app, just follow the steps. So, meron tayo ditong PIN na magsasend sa ating mobile number. So, yun lamang ang ating aantayin para ma-verify natin na tayo talaga yung gumagamit ng phone number na yan. So, waiting na lang. Wala pa akong na-receive. Ayun, so verify lang natin. Ayan, tapos na tayo makapag-register dito sa ating PayMaya account. So, meron dito nakalagay, submit an ID, record a video selfie, enter your information, and click e-verify. So, I'll do it later.